Over 3.4 million Synology NAS are running DSM 6.2. More companies are deploying them in complex, mission-critical environments than ever. DSM is also continuously updated to support businesses at every stage of growth. The latest DSM 6.2.2 is built on 3 pillars: System Optimization, Migration Assistant, and Smart Update. This time, SCSI Manager, Snapshot Replication, Synology High Availability, and Storage Manager introduces a series of system-level performance and stability enhancements, as well as more advanced options and contextual guidance to ensure that IT admins are always in control. The new Migration Assistant makes whole system migration possible, accompanying you through the hardware upgrade process with maximum automation and minimum service disruption. With Smart Update, your Synology NAS now only installs a new DSM version when the services it's currently running can benefit from the update, making it not just about Synology providing better services and updates. We can now accurately provide them to help businesses maximize uptime and maintain a stable production environment. DSM 6.2 will be a long-term support version, receiving security updates and important fixes until June 2023. Upgrade today and see how it becomes a solid platform for your business-critical operations for years to come. To learn more about DSM 6.2, visit the link in the description.